Hello students, how are you? So let's start with 6th standard science subject. So students, you know very well that your periodic test 3 examinations are coming soon. So for that, I am discussing paper pattern for periodic test 3 science along with you. Then afterward we will discuss about the revision worksheet. So first of all we will see paper pattern. In section A, question number 1 to 7 that are for 1 marks. So question number 1 to 5 simple 1 mark one sentence on one word question, and question number 6 and 7 that will be assertion type questions. Then question number 8 and 9 that will be paragraph based, you will get paragraph and you will get 4 questions. After that you have to solve 3, but my suggestion is that you have to solve please solve 4 questions. Then question number 9 also you will get 4 multiple choice question. Out of that you have to solve only 3, but again you have to solve 4 questions. So these are 2 questions for 3 marks each, so total 6 marks. In section B, short answer type questions will come from question number 10 to 12, and each question will be having 2 marks, so total 6 marks. In any one question you will be getting internal choice. Then in section C, each question is for 3 marks. 2 questions will come, question number 13 and 14. Out of that you will be getting 1 internal choice from any one of the question. In section D, you will get long answer type question for 5 mark. Only 1 question you will get, and you will get the internal choice for that also. So in this way total 30 marks paper will be coming for your examination. This is the paper pattern. Now see children, we will discuss the revision worksheet for periodic test 3, and it is the same pattern. As we are knowing, question number 1 to 7 that is 1 mark question. So is it possible for you to recognize leaves without seeing them? So here whatever the important keywords are there, that is we cannot exactly recognize, but by touching and smelling we can recognize them sometimes. Okay, then explain the term slow change. Over there you know that the terms are terms should be according to a textual language. The changes that take a long duration of time to complete are called slow change. What is a dry cell? It is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. What happens when sugar is heated? When sugar is heated, black powdery substance is formed, and it is a chemical irreversible change. So whatever the important keywords are there, it should come in that answer. Explain the term lamina. The broad green flat part of leaf is called lamina. Now question number 6 and 7, that is assertion and reason type question, and you can see option A, B, C and D. Out of that whichever matching with that your question, you have to write that answer. Now we will see assertion. One of the most commonly used metal to conduct electricity is copper. Yes, it is right. And reason is given that it is a good conductor of electricity and can easily be shaped into pipes and drawn into wires. So see here both the statements are right. So and R is correct explanation for the assertion. So A option will come. So in this way you have to write the answer that both A and R are true, but and R is the correct explanation of the assertion. Question number 7, ripening of fruit is reversible change. This is assertion, and reason is given. Stretching of a rubber band is reversible change. So what answer is matching with that? So A is false, because ripening of fruit is not a reversible change. It is a irreversible chemical change. So A is false and R is true. So that is matching with that. So write option as well as answer. Option is D and answer is A is false and R is true. Now in question number 8 you are having paragraph, and they have asked any 3 questions you have to attend, but you can write all 4 answers. So and it is not compulsory also that from that paragraph only that answers you have to find out. You can you have to write the answer by your own also. Sometimes you will not be getting the answers from the paragraph. So dash is a change which can be reversed. So here the answer is B, wet clothes to dry clothes. Second question, which of the following changes cannot be reversed? So milk to paneer, that change is there which cannot be reversed, because other changes we can reverse back. So that is the answer. So write option as well as answer. Question number 3, which is a way to make a change happen? So all the answers are matching with that. So all of this, heating a substance, cooling a substance, mixing a substance with one another. So all of this, that answer is right. So write option D, all of this. Rusting of iron is dash change. So rusting of iron, so here option irreversible is also given, chemical is also given. If you will write only irreversible, you will not get marks, because that is not a perfect match for that options and question. So B is chemical, C is irreversible and chemical both, so that answer is perfect answer. So write irreversible and chemical both. Then again question number 9, you are having paragraph. So first question, which one of the following statement is true? So the statement which is true is copper is a good conductor of electricity. Now second question, dash is a device that either breaks the circuit or complete the electric circuit, that is a switch. So write option as well as answer. Next question, non-metals like dash and dash are good conductors of electricity. So graphite and gas carbon, that answer is correct. And filament, or fourth question, filament of an electric bulb is made up of. So that is A option, that is tungsten. In now section B is there. Question number 10, 11 and 12, that will be for 2 marks each. Draw a diagram showing showing the two terminals of a bulb. So here children, draw a diagram with a pencil only and give perfect labeling. Then only you will get the full marks for this diagram. Now 11 question, why should an electrician use rubber gloves while repairing an electric switch at your home? Explain. Here what are the expected points are there, it is you can see it is in bold. So conductor means an electric switch is an electrical appliance. It conducts electricity through its internal parts. Human body is conductor of electricity, and when its internal parts are touched with naked hands, then it may cause an electric shock. Therefore it should be touched with rubber gloves in hand, because rubber is an insulator. Hence electrician wear rubber gloves while repairing a switch. So all points should be covered in that. What is conductor, what is insulator, and what happens with that conductors and insulator. Then explain the term shrubs, give 2 examples. So the plant which have a hard but not a very thick stem are called shrubs. Such plants have the stem branching out near the base, and for example lemon and rose plant. So whatever expected keywords are there, you have to write that. Out of this question number 10, 11 and 12, you will be getting 1 internal choice. Now question number 13 and 14, that will be for 3 marks each. In either in 13 question or either in 14 question, you will be getting 1 internal choice. So differentiate between physical change and chemical change with 3 points. So it is expected that you have to write first definition of physical change and chemical change. A change in which matter occurs without causing any change in composition of the matter is known as physical change, and chemical change, while a chemical change, so chemical composition means change in the chemical composition of a matter. And after that children, you can write the examples of physical change as well as chemical change. So in this way, write 2 examples for physical change, 2 examples for chemical change, and 2 means definition of physical change and chemical change. In this way you can write the difference. Now in question number 14, observe structure of a leaf and answer the following questions. So questions are not same. Question pattern may change. It will be not same throughout the paper. So here you have to observe the structure of a leaf, and which type of venation is shown in leaf. So that is reticulate venation is shown, and the central prominent thick structure right in the middle of the leaf that helps support of the leaf and prevent it from breaking is called midrib. So only expected answers are reticulate venation, midrib, and one example of a plant having parallel venation. So you can write grass, maize. So in this way question may ask. Now section D, that will be for 5 marks. So explain an activity to test the presence of starch in a leaf. So children, you have to keep it in your mind while explaining activity, explain it in brief. For this question of 15, first question is there, that will be for 3 marks at least. So in this way you have to explain the full activity. If possible, you can draw diagram but if time is not permitting, you not compulsory to draw diagram. But if the diagram is asked in the question, compulsory you have to draw diagram, but they have not asked for the diagram, so no need. So only explain that activity at that time. So this will be for 3 mark. Now question number 15, second, differentiate between parallel and reticulate venation with 2 points. So you can write the definition. Veins in this case are arranged as a network of a wave-like structure. Veins run parallel to one another along with the leaf from the base to tip. And second point, children, you can write the example of that: rose, mango, hibiscus. And parallel venation, you can write the example: wheat, maize, grass, bamboo, like this. So if they have asked 2 points, you can explain in 1 point definition, in another point examples. So in this way you have to write your full paper, and please from the beginning maintain your speed properly. Thank you for watching video. Try to solve this revision worksheet at home with the help of clock. You can set up a time in that, and you can have that paper, you can write that paper just like a paper, so that it will be revision for you just like before examination. So thank you for watching video.